In this video, we'll show you how to cut a flush tegular edge into a single raised panel mineral fiber ceiling tile. This type of cut is necessary when installing flush tegular edge tiles as a border when using traditional L wall molding. To complete this task, you will need a straight edge, a sharp utility knife, extra blades, a tape measure, and a pencil. Creating a layout will help you calculate your border panel sizes and create a balanced visual. Next, you will need to cut the border tile to the correct dimension your installation requires. To do this, measure from the wall to the edge of your first row of grid. This is the total width of the border tile and where you should make your first cut. Mark the location on the face of your ceiling tile with a pencil. Slowly cut along the line using a straight edge to guide your knife across the face of the panel. It will take multiple passes. With the border tile cut to size, lift it into place with the factory finished edge facing into the room and tight against the grid. Use a pencil or utility knife to mark where your flush tegular edge detail will be cut. Gently mark the face of the tile along the wall molding. Remove the tile and cut along your mark. Use the factory edge as a reference for how deep you should cut. With the first cut made, only cut as deep as the raised part of the panel. Keep the tile face up and flat on the work surface. Lay the utility knife on its side and make the final cut for the flush tegular edge detail. This may be done at a slight angle. A small sliver of tile should fall off. Blow off any dust and loose material. If you damage the face of the tile, use touch-up paint to cover it up. Lift the tile into place and check the fit. Complete the rest of the border tiles in the same manner. If you have additional questions, please contact our tech line for guidance.